How to profit from automation in 2023. What's up, everyone? James Jernigan here, and that's exactly what I want to cover in this video. Automation and AI is all the rage these days, so if you haven't already, I want to make sure you don't miss the boat and show you how to take action and put these tools to work for you. So, before we get started, there's only so much I'll be able to cover in this video. So if you want more information about what I'm going to be showing you here, head on over to bots2023.com and put your email in this box. And that'll make sure that you get more information directly to your inbox so that you can get the details of what I'm going to be showing you here. But basically, these are the 4 steps I want to be covering. And as I cover them, I want to kind of dispel some of the myths surrounding automation and AI. So step one is really find something to sell, right? There's no way you can make money if you don't have something to sell. But some of the myths that surround this are that people get kind of overwhelmed and they think, oh, I'm going to have to start some kind of agency. I'm going to have to start selling a service, or, I might have to go find a product to sell and keep inventory, right? And I've tried it all. When it comes to making money online, I've tried everything I can, including going to thrift stores and selling stuff on eBay. I've tried drop shipping on Shopify. I've tried it all, right? So this is the hardest thing when you first get started, is finding something to sell. But what I want to show you is the easiest way that I've found to make money online, and that's with affiliate marketing. So here's just one of my affiliate programs that I'm a part of, and you can see I've earned almost $5,000 from a total of $11,755 in gross sales. Now, this affiliate program is Chase Reiner's affiliate program, who is the one who created this Bots 2023 course here, Fortune Bots, that I want you to be a part of if this is something you're interested in. Um, Chase has helped me out tremendously with the stuff that he teaches in this class, and I'm going to be going into more detail about the bots in a little bit. Like I said, if you want all the details, go to bots2023.com. But essentially, affiliate marketing, the best way to think of it is that you're a commission only salesperson. It's the same thing as, you know, if you've ever been walking through the mall or hanging out with your friends and someone's like, hey, I like your jacket, where did you get it? And you tell them what store you got it from so they can go buy it. It's that same situation, except each time you tell somebody where you got the product you like and they buy it, you get paid. And it's as simple as getting a link. So it's just a link, you copy it, you paste it, and you make money every time someone buys. So it's that simple with finding something to sell. Now, maybe you have your own product. Maybe you're a local business, and in which case you'll just sell whatever it is you sell, whether it's digital marketing or landscaping or roofing or whatever it is, right? It's the same process uh, after you find what it is that you're selling. So step two is to find people to sell it to. And again, people get hung up on this because they think, oh, I'm going to have to spend months creating social media content, or I'm going to have to build up a YouTube channel and get tons of subscribers and a bunch of followers. But that's really not the case, because the way these algorithms work when it comes to short form content, here, if we check out my YouTube channel and we scroll down here, you could see in the past 28 days here, I've got 17,262 views, and 53% of them have come from shorts, and particularly the shorts feed. Now, there's something special about the shorts feed, and if we come over here and look at TikTok, you'll notice a similar trend. So in the past 28 days on TikTok, I've got 81,000 video views from 5 posts. So clearly I've been slacking on this account. In the past 28 days, I should have posted 28 times, once per day at a minimum, right? But I was lazy. I only posted 5 times this past month, and still I got 81,000 views just on one platform, right? And another 17,000 on this platform. And it works the same on Facebook and Instagram Reels, really anywhere you can post this short form content. Now, what's special about these algorithms are, even if you don't have any followers, any subscribers, this works on a brand new account. Your videos are going to go in what's called the For You page. So you could see this linked up right here. This is the home page. When anybody opens this app, this is where it's going to show your videos first. It's going to show them to a handful of random people, and then based on how those people interact with your video is going to determine how much traffic your video gets. Now, what we cover in these classes, and I say we because I'm actually going to be teaching some lessons inside of the classes here at bots2023.com. And what I'm covering, as well as what some of the other guys in the class are covering, basically we have a mastermind here, some of the top minds in the industry when it comes to automation and short form content and social media marketing. And what we're covering is breaking down in detail how these algorithms work and how you can leverage that. So basically, if you start your video with a hook, that's something that gets people's attention, right? Something like, this sounds illegal, but it's not, or TikTok doesn't want you knowing about this, or something that gets people's attention, and then you end your video with a call to action, you can drive an awful lot of traffic. Like I showed you, 80,000 views a month, 17,000 views a month, and these are all on affiliate products that make me money, again, which is how I've earned almost $5,000 in commissions just from this one affiliate program alone. So that's how we're going to find people to sell this to, right? Whether it's an affiliate program or whether it's your local business, we're going to get more attention by using short form social media content. And there's a variety of other ways, but I just want to keep this simple for you. So we're going to stick to one thing. So the third thing that a lot of people get tripped up on is finding a sales process that actually works, right? Because pretty much anyone can do these first two things. Anyone can go sign up for an affiliate program. You could go sign up for 20 in the next 10 minutes if you really wanted to. And then really anyone who can just follow a simple process, right? If you can follow a recipe to make macaroni and cheese at your house or to grill a hamburger, right? It's that simple. If you can follow a simple set of instructions, then you can get an awful lot of attention on your videos and send it to your link. So then, rather than reinventing the wheel here, right, and spending months and years trying to figure out a sales process that actually works, which is what I've done personally. Anyone who's been following me on YouTube, you can go back. If you're new here, click on my channel. You can scroll back all the way to 3 or 4 years ago when I was selling stuff on eBay. That's actually what I started my channel about, was selling stuff on eBay. I was delivering food on my bike for Uber Eats. And then you can follow my progress and see what I've tried over the past few years and see that I've really tried everything. I've tried selling on eBay, I've tried drop shipping, I've tried selling services, I've tried building funnels for people, and all of that stuff works, right? It all works, and it's just a matter of picking something that you like. But the reason I like affiliate marketing is because, like I said, I'm literally just sharing a link. And here's what that looks like. If this is my TikTok profile, here is a link here to another page I was experimenting with, and you could see I just created this about 5 days ago. In about 5 days, I have 96 new leads to this link. And so, like I said, there's only so much I can explain in the video. Head to bots2023.com and enter your email to get all the details. But now we're to step 4, the exciting bit, automating the process using bots. So I want to show you just one of the bots that, or at least show you how it works. I don't have enough time to show you the entire bot and how to set it up, but I want to explain the thought process behind one of the bots that has been taking everything I've just showed you here to the next level, right? We're creating content. Each one of these videos is getting thousands of views. Look, some of them getting 32, 21,000 views, 32,000 views, 14,000, 68,000 views on this one, right? It's a repeatable process that anyone can do. So that's what we're doing to get the views. We're sending the traffic to a link so that we can recontact these people over time. We can essentially remarket to them for the rest of their life once we have their email address, right? Unless they unsubscribe from our list. So if you're following me so far, can I just get a yes in the comments down below if this makes sense? If you see what we're doing with driving traffic using videos, sending it to an affiliate link to make sales, and how simple this process is. So what I want to show you is how to take this to the next level using bots. So I'm going to come over here to Sketchpad. And so what one of these bots does, or has allowed me to do, is contact, sorry, that's terrible, that's supposed to be a 20,000 additional people in the past month using something called contact form marketing. So basically what this process does is, first this bot goes out to Google and it scans Google, it scrapes Google for specific information. Say you give it a keyword, like say you wanted to find plumbers. you put plumbers as the keyword, and it's going to create a list of every URL that's on Google, or at least the vast majority of them, and say, hey, here is a list of the people you're looking for, a list of all of their websites that have contact forms on them. So then the next thing that bot is going to do is it's going to go out automatically to each and every one of these contact forms. And you know what a contact form is, right? It's when you go to a website and it says, do you want a free estimate? Do you want this free download? Whatever it is, where you can enter your information, where you can enter a message. So this bot is going to go out to thousands, tens of thousands. Like I said, in the past week, I've reached out to 20,000 websites using this bot, and it only took me about maybe half an hour or a maximum an hour to set everything up to then contact 20,000 additional people per month. And really, you can scale this as much as you want. I know Chase has been contacting millions of people per month, so it is definitely possible. It's just a matter of how big you want to scale this. But that's what this bot can do: scrape targeted information about the people you're looking for, and then go send them the exact message you want. And that message can be anything. It can be like, hey, check out my new YouTube video. It can say, hey, if you want to learn more about my business, reply to this email, whatever it is you want to do. So like I said, there's only so much I can show you in this short video. So if all of this makes sense to you, like I said, give me a yes in the comments down below, and then head over to bots2023.com and enter your email address so you can get more information about all of these bots I'm showing you, and then you can start getting thousands, tens of thousands of views on your videos, hundreds of clicks on your affiliate links, and making thousands of dollars, whether it's through affiliate marketing or whether it's through additional customers and leads to your local business. Whatever it is, I just want you to take action and not miss out. Everyone's talking about AI these days, whether it's AI for content generation or AI contact bots, or just automating your social media accounts. Whatever it is, if you're looking to learn more about technology, this is the number one way I can recommend you do it. This is where I've learned a ton of the information that I know, and it's in the Fortune Bots classes available at bots2023.com. Other than that, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe by clicking the bright red button. And if you found this information helpful, you can help me out and help all the other people on YouTube out by clicking the thumbs up so that more people see this video in their feed. And other than that, take care. I hope you get a bunch of traffic, and I hope you make a bunch of money using automation.